That's called election interference fraud, okay? So we sued
Former
them
President
today.
Donald Trump
That's
has
real
filed a
interference,
lawsuit
so
against CBS
no, we don't have to
News,
lock 'em up.
accusing the
They should
network
lose
of
their
deceptive
license,
editing in a
which is
recent
worth
60
billions
Minutes
a day.
interview with Vice President Kamala Harris, claiming it misled the public and put him at a disadvantage. CBS News responded on Thursday, stating the lawsuit was completely without merit and affirming its intention to defend against the claims. The suit, filed just days before the 2024 presidential election, focuses on an edited clip from October regarding Harris's comments on the Middle East, which Trump alleges was altered to benefit his opponent.
CBS is no good. And in fact, in honor of you, I just sued CBS today because of 60 Minutes. You know why I sued her? Because she was on, and it was called election interference fraud.